Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a payment method in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva, and once you've logged in, look over to the bottom left corner of the page and click on your profile icon. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, click on settings. So once you're inside the settings page, look over to the left hand column and under payments and plans, click on billing. Once you've clicked on billing, you want to locate the payment method section. If you haven't added one, I imagine it will say add, but if you'd like to add a new one, click on manage, and here you'll be able to see all of your various payment methods. What you want to do is click on add, and now you can click into the card number field and add your card number, and then click into the expiry date field and add your expiry date using this format of month and year, and then click into the security code field, add your security code, click on the country drop down and select your country, and you also have the option to set it as a default if it's the second payment method that you're adding on top of another. And once you're done, simply just click on save. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or issues, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.